And today I'm going to be talking about how to connect your PC to your LCD TV using a VGA cable. What you see right now is my TV, and now we're going to be going over to my PC. Here you see two cables that you are definitely going to need for this installation. The first one is a 15-pin VGA cable. This is actually supposed to be an SVGA cable, which is supposed to be able to deliver a high quality picture to your TV, and it does a pretty good job. The next cable that is necessary for this installation is an audio cable with a 3.5mm male jack on both ends. Both ends have to have this kind of jack on it. One is going to get plugged into your computer and one is going to get plugged into your TV. Now let's take a look at my PC. Okay, here we are at the back of my computer now. As you can see, my VGA slot actually has a VGA splitter into it. And that is because I only have one video card and I need one of these cables to go to my computer monitor, which is this one right here, and the other cable is going to go to my TV, and I'm going to attach it onto this connector right now. I just finished connecting it. As you can see, I have some rubber bands holding in place, and that is because the ends of the connectors didn't match up. A word about using a VGA splitter. You may run into some problems with your picture quality on your TV from your computer. I tried doing this installation on a friend's computer, and she has an older computer with an older video card, and she experienced some ghosting and some double vision on her TV. So if you have two video cards in your computer, that is the best way to go. Otherwise, make sure that you have a video card which is strong enough to give out a signal to support a splitter. And now we will move on to my audio cable. Also, where my audio cable comes in, I have a splitter. And that's because I have some external speakers which are connected to my computer, and I also want to connect my computer to my television, so I will hear sound through my television speakers. Now, this audio cable is necessary in order to transfer sound to your television from your computer, because sound does not get transferred through the VGA cable. So I'm going to plug that in right now. There you have it. Now I have my cable plugged into my splitter. Now here we are at the back of my television. I actually had to unplug everything so I can turn my TV around and get it into the light so I can complete this installation. Here we have the ends of the two cables that I plugged into my PC. The 15-pin male VGA connector for the video and the 3.5mm male jack connector for the audio. There is only one place on my TV where I can plug in my 15-pin male connector, and that is right here. And it is labeled RBG in PC. The audio jack gets plugged into a slot that says Audio in RGB DVI. Now, if you have a cable you are running from your PC, which has a 3.5mm jack which is plugged into your PC, but RCA connectors on the other end, and you're trying to use that to run audio from your PC TV, it is not going to work. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get an RCA to 3.5mm adapter so you could plug it in to the specific slot where it belongs, which is the audio in RGB/DVI port. Now I'm going to run you through the television configuration. In order for you to get the video and sound from your PC to your TV, you have to change the configuration on your television. On my television, I do it through my remote control by first pressing menu and then going to the input option and changing my input to RGB. Now, as you can see, the image displayed on my television is the same one as is displayed on my computer.